What is up, guys? Today we are doing a Yu-Gi-Oh! 15 subscriber special. Anyways, shout outs to my friends and those of you who subscribed. Anyways, on with the video. If this is what I think this is gonna be one of the most godly Yu-Gi-Oh! Openings on this channel ever. Now, this is wrapped. Okay, so I'm showing you the side where it doesn't say like the email address and all of that, because my friend said they might track it down. And I don't want some angry hater to come up and steal all my stuff. That would not like to happen. And now let's get on with the video. So now let's open this. I really hope this is what I think it is. Let's see. This is so hard to open. Let's open this. Oh, thanks, Dad. Oh, no way. No way this is it. Thinking like, no way. No way this is it. No way. No way is this gonna happen. Let's see what this is. Let's see. This doesn't really look like all Yu-Gi-Oh-y to me. This looks like something from storage. Anyway, let's get what I think it is. OMG! Look! One of the most godly tins ever! The Yu-Gi-Oh! 2020 Tin of Lost Memories! Oh my god. This is the most godliest thing ever. Now, let's read the back. This Tin of Lost Memories is a recreation of the first portion of the Tablet of Lost Memories seen within the original Yu-Gi-Oh! Story, which revealed the lost secrets of the Pharaoh. One prismatic secret rare, 2 ultra rares, 2 super rares, 1 rare, and 12 common cards, including boxes from the booster set Savage Strike, Dark Neostorm. Oh my god. We might have a chance to get signed at mining. If this is even in there, let's see. Rising Rampage and Chaos Impact plus additional cards from previous years and brand new cards you've never seen before. You might even discover, this is the main card, the Red Eyes Dark Dragoon, a nearly unstoppable fusion of Dark Magician and Red Eyes Black Dragon. First of all, I already have Polymerization and Dark Magician and Red Eyes Black Dragon, so this is going to solve it a lot. Now let's get opening. OMG. I am still in shock. Thank you, Konami, for making this glorious and godly Yu-Gi-Oh! Opening. Let's see. Oh my god. 3 packs. 1 monster. Let's get opening. Okay, anyways, we are back, guys, and let's start off with the first pack of Yu-Gi-Oh! 2020 Tin of Lost Memories Mega Pack. Let's open this thing. I am so hyped right now. Can you guys feel the hype? Let me know in the comments down below. We have Valkyrie Funfei. As you can see, you have Summer Gate Wolvie. Ooh, Marioness Battle Ocean, apparently. And Incest Currents. There's Dark Factory of more production. Ooh, Valkyrie Chariot. That's a good one. Evil Eye Mesrim. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't this like a really, really good card? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh my god. Look, guys. We have Unchained Abomination. And Abomination's prison. We have Witchcrafter Pottery, Emperor Maju Garzette. We have Tyrant Farm, XZ Slido Dolphin, Hita the Fire Charmer Blaze, yeah. Dino Wrestler Chimera T-Rex Doll. There's Guard Dragon Cataclysm. And Crusher Run. Okay, we are back with the second one, apparently. Let's see. Let's open this real quick. The last pull on that was crazy. I'm pretty sure that is a pretty one. Ooh, another Valkyrie Funte. Basilisk, Familiar of the Evil Eye. Time Thief Flyback. There's Guard Dragon Shield. Why is it a field spell? Dino Wrestler Valionyx. Salmon Great Sunlight Wolf. That's cool. Witchcrafter Creation. Valkyrie Erda. Destiny Hero Domance. Looks pretty cool. Then there's Fusion Destiny. Infiltrate Goliath. Danger Excitement Mystery. Oh, this could be useful for my Danger deck. There's Tyrant Dino Fusion. Another Z Slide Dolphin. Marin's Mandarin. Escape of the Unchained. Guard Dragon Cataclysm. And Neo Flamville Lady. The final chance to get Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Now, I love the mystery and excitement. So, we're gonna put it like this. We have, Unchained Abomination. Let's see. FA Shining Star GT, apparently. We have, let's see. Again. Dino Wrestler Chimera T-Rex Doll. That's a pretty cool name. Witchcrafter Draping. Guard Dragon Core Awakened. Time Thief Bezel Ship, apparently. Ooh, Valkyrie Vierte. I think we already pulled that. Ooh, Marincess Coral Anemone. Strength of Unity. Oh, this has Blue Eyes White Dragon in it. That's pretty cool. We have Evil Eye Repose. Let's see. Marincess Current. Oh my god. Neo Space Connector. Fury of Fire. Spiritual Entanglement. Draw Discharge. Ranryu. You're in Danger. And Vessel for the Dragon Cycle. Anyways, guys, we did not get the Red Eyes Dark Dragoon, but still, that was a pretty fun pull. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to other videos, and don't forget, if you're enjoying the videos, like and subscribe, and turn the bell with all gray with the notifications turned all on, so you never miss another Yu-Gi-Oh video. Bye, guys.